Leave me a comment if you've ever burnt your mouth on one of these bad boys. I'm here to show you how to make the famous Mackie D's apple pie at home, and don't worry, the full recipe's down in the caption. Let's make the filling. Add some butter into a pan, then throw in the apple, sugar, a small squeeze of lemon juice for acidity, then bring up to a gentle simmer. I'm going to add cinnamon to taste, toss around, and then leave to cook gently for 5 minutes. We want the apples to cook, but we don't want them to turn into a mush. Now we need to thicken this up, so I'm going to add in a corn flour slurry before cooking for just a few more minutes. For ease, I like to let this cool and pop into a piping bag, ready to go. Cut a sheet of puff pastry into 6 equal-sized pieces, then take one of the pieces, pipe a line of the apple mix down the centre, then brush the edges with beaten egg. Then place another piece on top, gently squeeze out any air around the filling, and use a fork to firmly seal the edges. If you like, you can trim the edges to make them nice and neat. Pop into the freezer for at least an hour, then deep fry in oil heated to 170 degrees C for 8 minutes until crisp and golden. I like to dust mine in cinnamon sugar before eating. Please learn from my experience and leave to cool for a bit before eating. What would you like to see next in the Fakeaway series? Bang in!